Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your INFINIX 60 Pro. First, adjust media and call volume in the settings. To adjust the call volume, go into the phone app and press the volume up button. You will see the phone icon, which means it is the call volume. For the phone, go to Settings, scroll down to Sound and Vibration, and here you have the media. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off and Sound and Vibration too. After that, clean your speaker grills or the headphone port. In this phone's case, it's actually the charging port. Here we have the first grill, the port, and the second grill. Now we're going to restart the phone by pressing the power button only. Tap on Restart and restart. We are restarting the phone right now, and I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, as a last resort, we're going to update our software. Go to Settings, tap on INFINIX 60 Pro, click Check for updates. As you can see, my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.